Hi my sweet IPs, this is Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Innovative People. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to stay updated from across the globe. So let's start our today's topic.
Dancing can reverse the signs of aging in the brain. It improves memory, learning and balance. Seniors who routinely partake in physical exercises can reverse the signs of aging in their brains. Unlike traditional fitness training programs, among different exercises examined on a number of participants, dancing had the most profound effect in reversing signs of aging. Research shows that it helps with stress, anxiety and depression. Trying different types of dance keep you in a constant learning process, which increases the size of a brain region called the hippocampus. This region normally declines with age and is severely affected by a disease called Alzheimer's. It plays a role in memory and learning as well as keeping one's balance. The participants were presented with new dance routines every week. Steps, arm patterns, formation, speed and rhythms were changed every second week and to keep them constantly learning. The most challenging aspect for them was to recall the routines. Under the pressure of time and without any cues from the instructor, these extra challenges account for the noticeable differences in balance. Dance routines of different genres have the same effect, including jazz, square, Latin Americans and line dance. Elderly volunteers who participated in the study showed improved balance. Researchers hope to develop new dance-based fitness programs, which have the potential of maximizing anti-aging effects on the brain. They are also working on a new system called Jimin, a sensor-based system which generates sounds based on physical activity, combining both physical exercises and music. In a previous research, dancing was also found effective on people suffering from dementia. Physical and mental exercise contribute to a healthy life, and learning different types of dance routines can rejuvenate the body and the mind, minimizing several risk factors and slowing down age-related decline. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. Kindly share with your loved ones for their knowledge as well. Thank you.